then you get mad. I could say, man, no, people say I'm mad, but why? Mother, advice. Right. Say. I wonder if. No, but see, could I never. If I'm baby mother, no, Obeah can't fly. Obeah can't take plane, girl. Get together. Well, Obeah said they don't have both, and we have the piece of Canada. Never even try to open it. I know what I'm saying. I'm not saying more things. I can't stop saying what the boy not. Yes, I'm going to push the boy. Not affect that too. You can let's talk about talk to yourself, people. Let me see. Obeah. Scarf your kids are real. See that? Let's see a mad road. See a mad road. See a mad road.
We need to talk. You first.
All right.
Me need to go there.
Someone asked you a question. Chris. Yeah, I know.
What do you mean? Like what?
Like, you have any secrets? Something you keep from me?
No? Wait. You talk about me. And if me have secret. You have a secret?
I'm gonna secret me. Gonna have my life as an open book.
Oh. So, apart from your real name?
Speaking of names, before we even get to that, have you said your real name?
Well,
Or is it Mikey? Or is it Mikey Chris? Or Chris Mikey?
the two of them are my name. Mikey are the short name for Michael. Chris are the short name for Christopher. Michael are my first name. Christopher are my second name. Middle name.
So you have so much name.
Well, I three names, yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna just find out. That's fine.
But you have three names and I one, you know.
You know, some three names thing. Okay, fine. I'm three names.
So, you don't tell me your name?
What we talk about name now?
So, now you ask about name.
Yeah, so
I tell you. So you will tell me what you name.
hello. You see me tell my name? Can't say it out loud. You understand? You understand?
Alright.
Alright. So my real name is